Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are taking an unboxing of my new watch. So today in front of us we have a very special unboxing, and this box has come from HMT. So this is a HMT box, and we will be unboxing this for you guys. Okay, so if you guys don't know, recently HMT announced on their Instagram page that they have tied up with Amazon. So now we can get all the HMT products, HMT watches, men's watches, ladies watches, quads, automatic, hand winding, everything from Amazon. But it's subject to availability, obviously, because 99% of the times all the watches are not in stock. So that's also a factor. Anyway, so we somehow I was able to get one of my wish list watch, I would say. I was planning to buy this watch from quite some time now. As soon as I saw that it's available on Amazon, I just took out my card and placed the order. Okay, so we'll be taking an unboxing of this one. So right in front of us we have a red HMT box. So this is, as this is a premium watch, so maybe that's why they are giving little premium on the box. But most of the time HMT boxes are broken. So let's see what's my luck this time. So this is the box. I'll be cutting the seal. This is my Caesar. Okay, it's broken. Let's just do it from this angle. All right, so I have cut the seal. So now we'll remove this cover. Okay, so this is a beautiful red box this time. So you can see the box is looking really good. So we'll check the watch now. Okay, but before that there is another seal, so need to cut this one as well. Okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. So we'll remove the box cover. Here is the watch, guys. I'll be showing you. This is some booklets, some HMT warranty instruction and stickers how to use the watch. So this is an automatic watch, so that's why I got an automatic hand winding this booklet type of manual booklet. All right, now let's get on with the unboxing. So here we have the watch now. So remove the watch, and we have this big this soft cushion. It came with the watch box, nothing else in the box, and thankfully my watch box is not broken this time. Quite lucky. So we'll this watch box here and take a look at the watch. So I'll just remove this cover, this plastic bubble wrap from the watch. Okay guys, so here we have the watch. Let me just zoom the camera a little bit. So guys, right in front of us we have the HMT Rajat Premium in this Tiffany blue color. Just look at this beautiful watch, guys. This watch is elegant, beautiful looking watch. Really, really good looking. Okay, let's talk about the dimension of this watch. So this watch is a 36 millimeter case diameter. Lug to lug is 39. Case height is around 10.9 or 11 millimeter, and the lug width is 16.16. It comes with this beautiful looking bracelet. The metal bracelet quality is very good. Has this HMT logo here. This is a laser print, not embossed, but the quality is very good. And here we have a HMT tag. It says the price is 7,250 rupees inclusive of all taxes. But I got a very good discount on this, as I bought this from Amazon, and as I'm a prime user of Amazon, so they were giving that 10% discount. And on my card there was some 10% discount and all. So I got around 800 rupees discount on this, around 800 to 750 to 800 close. Okay, so I got it near about 6,500 or so. And at 6,500, this Rajat Premium, this new automatic watch is very good deal, I would say. And it has this beautiful turtle shape type of a case. So you can see this has a very beautiful turtle shape type of case, and the case material is a stainless steel. This is a stainless steel material, guys. At the back, we have also a stainless steel uh, case back. I'll just open the bracelet. So we have here, we have this type of bracelet, and there is a this lock here. So once you lock it, we need to press both the sides and it will uh, unlock the bracelet. Let's check out what's written here. It says HMT automatic. It says HMT automatic, and with stainless steel case, 3 meter 3 30-meter water resistant. So guys, let me tell you, HMT is very bad with water resistant. So if it says uh, 3 bar water resistant, that means you it's better not to touch any water or water droplets, or even you cannot even wash your hands while wearing this watch. Okay, so be very careful. So HMT is very notorious in that. So 1 2 3. Very gorgeous looking watch. Just check out the dial, guys. At 12 o'clock we have the HMT logo with the Rajat Premium written text at the bottom. At 6 o'clock we have the automatic 21 jewels written, and all the hour markers are stainless steel. Very beautiful looking watch, and all the hour markers have this green loom dots with hands. Hour and minute hands also has got looms. Even the second hand also got loom. The second hand looks really lovely, guys. Just check out the second hand. And this watch has got a acrylic crystal, as you can see. Acrylic crystal, not not a hard X or not a sapphire glass. I wish HMT should have given at least a hard X glass crystal, if not sapphire. Like at this price, Delhi Watch Company is giving a sapphire crystal. Timex giving 4,000 rupees price range watch with sapphire crystal. I don't know why HMT is still sticking on to that old acrylic crystal. God knows. Anyways, the watch looks very beautiful. It has this turtle type of shape case. Very good looking watch. Okay, now let's take a look at the movement inside. So I'll just zoom the camera a bit. If you can see, it says, let me just clean, it says 8205 written. That's 8205 is a Miyota 8205 movement inside. So Miyota 8205 is actually made by Miyota, which is a citizen company. So this is, you can say that this watch runs on a citizen movement, Miyota citizen movement 8205. So this is a very good reliable movement. I have multiple watches with 8205, 8200. This particular movement, which is very good at keeping time. But the only problem with this movement is that uh, it's not like Seiko, where like the rotor, like if it moves both and clockwise anti-clockwise, it winds the mainspring. No, This winds the mainspring only if the rotor move clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise. So on Seco, it's omnidirectional. Means if it moves this side, then also it winds. If it moves this side, the rotor inside, then also it winds the mainspring. But on this Citizen 8205 Miota 8205 movement, it winds only if the rotor moves this side, so clockwise direction. But one good thing is that this watch comes with a hand winding feature, so you can hand wind it. I'll bring the watch closer to you. Maybe you can listen then. Okay, let's see. Hopefully you guys able to listen to that mainspring winding when we hand wind it. Okay. This also comes with a day date feature. So in order to change the day date, we need to do like this. So today is 29th. So the best way to change the date, let me show it to you guys. We need to put the watch in 28, and today is what date today? Today is Monday. So we need to put this in Sunday. So let's put this in Sunday, guys. Okay, we'll put it in Sunday and 28th. So one day before, and we'll pull the crown to the pull the crown till the um, to the time changing day. Okay, one thing I noticed, this watch comes with hacking feature. That's great. The second hand is getting stopped. That's great. Maybe I can set the time accurately. Then let me just do that. Let me just open my computer time, and will set the watch correctly to the accurate with atomic time. So in order to set the time in atomic time, at first we need to wait till the second hand reaches to the 12 hour. So once it goes to the 12 hour, we'll hack the time. So we'll wait. Once it reaches 12, we will hack the time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we will change the time. So today is 29th. So 29th. Once we Okay, now it should change to 29th and Monday. Okay, guys. This is the proper way to change your day date, okay? Okay, next the current time is 12 12 12 12. So we'll do to 12 12 12 12, and once it touches the I'm just waiting 5 more seconds. Okay, once it touches the 12 hour. Okay, now all right. So we have set the time with the proper atomic time. Now I will hand wind it. So this watch comes with two main features which I really like. That is hacking feature. I didn't knew this watch comes with a hacking feature. This watch I saw just now that it comes with a hacking feature, and also we can hand wind it, and also as it's an automatic watch, so we can shake the watch like 30 seconds, and it should be good to go. Okay. So all in all, guys, I can say that at 7,250 rupees, this is a very very good watch, guys, because at this price range you don't get much option with automatics. And if I consider the discount which I got on the card discount, so I got this around 750 to 800 rupees card discount, so which I got it at 6550 close. Okay, so at 6550 I don't think we get much option in automatic, apart from the ones which some Chinese baniers and one Timex skeleton watch from Flipkart, which they sell on Flipkart. So if I consider, but that doesn't look as good as this one. This has a very premium, very elegant feel to it. And one con, I would say, like, let me just start first. The one of the good sides. Good side is that it's made of stainless steel, has a very reliable Citizen Miyota 8205 movement, which comes with hacking feature, which comes with hand winding feature, has a one directional rotor movement. That's a con, I would say, not a both side like Seiko, but that's okay because we can wind the watch using hand winding. That's a very very good side. And the second, at the front on the second hand, has the loom. This just a piece of like a cherry on top of a cake, which looks like that. Very good. And also comes with the day date feature, which someone might like, somebody might not. Two negative side, I would say, that if I been very nitpicky, then it comes with this acrylic crystal. Somewhere sometimes I think HMT should move to the sapphire crystal on their premium lineup. They should move because market is changing very rapidly. Timex is giving 4000 rupees price range watches with sapphire crystal. DWC, Delhi Watch Company, is giving most, like, all of their mechanical watches with sapphire crystal at this price range. Then why not HMT? One negative side, I would say, that it's a 16 millimeter lug width. I don't know why 16 millimeter lug width. Like, you won't be getting much option, much, you won't get much good quality bracelet, good quality straps at this 16. At least get us 20, at least 20, 22, or if not 18, just 18 to 20. 16 nowadays is very, like, won't get much option. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. And this is just a clear unboxing video, not a review. I'll use the watch for some time, maybe a month or so, and will come out with a review video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you have any queries regarding this watch, I don't think anybody has posted this Tiffany Blue Rajat Premium on YouTube till now. Maybe I might be wrong, maybe. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, then do hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries regarding this watch, do hit me on down on the comments, and also I'll be sharing the links down below, both the HMT and the Amazon link. Whoever, if you want, you can purchase it from anywhere. But let me tell you, if you want to buy this with EMI facility, then you need to go to Amazon link, then only you can get it. Because on HMT, if you purchase directly from HMT, you won't be able to do the EMI. Okay, even if you check with the bank later on, you won't be able to do it. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.